All right, good morning. You guys hear me?
Yes, sir. What's going on?
What's up, buddy?
Not much.
Happy Friday to you.
Yes, sir. Happy Friday. Protect those weekly gains.
Oh, dude, I'm bullish. 645.60s holds. I'm bullish today. I just want to see if QQQ participates. QQQ's wedging. QQQ's wedging
Yeah, the
out.
past two dailies have been dojis too.
Ugh. I'm not a big fan of trading all-time highs. It's like throwing darts in the dark.
Yeah, dude, it's really annoying. Being a bear when we're at all-time highs is no fun either.
Well, yeah, that's half the problem. Dude, how many times have you seen it the past month? Liquidity comes in, bears keep continuously try to short. They're just gonna squeeze nice and slow. But we're holding this. I made like some sloping support from yesterday on the 30-minute, and it looks like we're trying to hold it. We'll see. See what happens. We have news at 10 o'clock today too.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna take a trade until that.
Daily reminder, MBZ. Let's see. Yep. No trading in low choppy environments, low volume.
That last part is key.
Yep. MBZ, are you all set up with your Thinkorswim, or do you need my assistance? Here's my active trader layout.
Morning, everyone.
What's up, buddy?
How are you, sir?
Oh, I'm good. How was your night? Bullish?
Great. It was bullish. Yeah, very bullish.
Good morning, gentlemen. I'm
Oh,
here
he's
in
back.
Florida.
Albert, I thought you
I
left
just,
us.
What's up,
nah,
buddy?
I've been thinking about you guys the entire time so far. So my degenerate ass is back for the moment, but I'm off my phone. Just gonna
Hey,
be probably listening.
hey, buddy.
Good morning, Shirley.
I was happy you didn't trade yesterday. Honestly.
Yeah, why? It was a bad day.
Nah, no, it's fine. What?
I saw you were up though.
I won't give Dimitri a hard time today. It's too early for that.
He was bearish again. Oh, fuck.
Good
Even if
morning,
I told
everyone.
you that would happen, rather be myself, people look at me, it don't matter. I'm just trying to keep it coach, trying to keep my eyes on my own paper like my teacher told. So that each thing is
Oh
so.
shit.
I'm on the
Joey,
charts.
your
I'm in
mic's
like,
on.
You
No
got
shit, Joey.
oh,
the baby on.
good morning. My bad. Good morning.
What's up, buddy? Good morning. Happy Friday, guys. Please take it easy today, everybody. We are at the top. We're above yesterday's highs on SPY, blue skies territory. QQQ is sideways consolidating. Sideways consolidation. 580s 55, 580.55 on QQQ. If you see that area flip and bull step in above it, we're going to rock it today. 580.55 has to flip on QQQ. If I see them take that out and where SPY is currently, as long as we're above yesterday's highs, I'm bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. See them taking one final push into the weekend, or they just start early and just leak it out right at open. So We'll see. See what happens. Oh, you changed your name,
Right.
Joey.
Yeah, no more Patel for me.
Joey No Tilt.
I know what to tell.
Fine, I'll change it to Joey Uzbekistan.
It's Uzbekistan, not Uzbekistan.
Oh shit, my bad.
You gotta throw in that Becky in there.
Bro, I didn't even know that place was real when he told me about it. And then I went to a restaurant the other day with my wife, and there was a fucking picture of a map, and that's what was on it. I was like, Jesus Christ.
I was gonna just say, watch Borat.
Is that where
he
he's
was
from?
in-
No, he's
he
from
was
Kazakhstan.
It's one of the stands. They're all like next to one another.
Oh, look at this selling pressure already right now. This is it right here. This is yesterday's highs.
NQ is bouncing right off a trend line.
Is Lobo here? Lobo, you've been missing my Celsius cracks.
This red candle is looking Dimitri dead in the eyes and saying, "I am fucking with you."
Leave D alone today. He took a fucking beating yesterday. Be nice.
Oh wow! All right. In
No,
that
I
case, I'll be
deserve it.
quiet.
Deserve it. I deserve it. I was greedy again. I deserve it.
D, how much were you up on that first drop? If you
18,000.
don't.
Oh my god!
Very nice. Look
Very
at
nice indeed.
this is my.
What's up, Ryan G?
No shit,
What's up,
Ryan.
Dimitri?
Diddy.
What's up, Joey? How's it going,
Hey,
lads?
brother.
I'm full porting my account today.
Me too.
Just
Buy
kidding.
puts.
Ryan G, can you look at NQ for me and tell me if 914 is a good level to go long if it retests or 927? I'm kind of stuck on these two.
914.
914.75 is a level for me, or 927.25, I think. 927 even.
Is Michelle on here yet, Dimitri? I'm curious how much those contracts moved. Caught a $50 move on UNH.
You saying to go long, Joey?
Yeah, like I really want to after 927 or 914, but I might nope, it might not make sense. Oh, they're going already.
You mean like if it breaks above it and retests it?
Yeah, yep.
Yeah.
Which one do you like better, 927?
Value area high is 916 right now, so I'd like to see it retest that and hold that as support.
Okay, thank you.
Value area high just moved up to 919.75, Joey.
Where are you getting that from? The value area high, it automatically moves for you?
Yeah, with the VWAP or with the POC, the POC indicator on TradingView, you can have it show like the.
Yeah, I have it on TradingView. I thought you had it on Top Step.
No, I just look at ES on Top Step.
Chart exchange real? What do you mean? Like the Max Payne? Let's take a look. Yeah, dude, but look at how many puts are out of the money expiring today. There's 3.2 million puts that they're burning. The put side is way, way, way heavier.
OPEX. 4. 34, 34.
I don't think they'll go pull it all the way to 625. It's impossible. I mean, it's not impossible, but I just don't think that would happen. We'll see if this updates as the day goes on.
Oh wow. Holy shit.
Yeah, we're rejecting that level pretty hard right now, but
I have to add. I'm gonna keep dumping. Or no?
Yesterday's highs is crucial for me. QQQ is looking a lot weaker than SPY. QQQ didn't even gap up. They went sideways. They're below previous close. So, I mean, if QQQ loses 578.70s and takes a run to
This is break of
yesterday's
structure,
pre-market,
guys.
we're gonna dump.
This is break of structure.
It's market open Friday. Let the market breathe before you jump in a trade. Everybody, please do not rush anything.
yeah, I don't trust this floor either way.
Previous closes right here. We have freaking demand all over this chart.
This is break of structure.
This is
This is break of structure. Dingling.
No. I added to my swings. I
Okay.
FOMO. I FOMO.
QQQ is looking very weak.
And I didn't get anything.
QQQ is looking very weak.
I
this
have
is
next
break of
Friday.
structure.
I have next Friday swings.
I'm not chasing puts this early into market open, so
This could easily be a bear trap.
this could be profit takers for Friday also. They're just grabbing liquidity to fucking do a moonshot. So, but QQQ's chart is telling me a story that there are aggressive sellers on the tech side right now. Give us some time. I'm not rushing anything today. Sellers are still here on QQQ.
Swing trades, do you know if Trump is talking today at all?
Yeah, he is. It just says tentative, though. It doesn't say what time.
So like when the market's at break of structure, that's when he'll come on.
Let me see if that updated. No, it still says tentative.
Burn all the puts.
Albert, just take it easy today if you're trading. Just
No, I'm not. I'm just watching for the moment. I'm just waiting for my wife to get ready to go get breakfast.
I don't want to burst your bubble, but there's no good bakeries down here.
Figured.
It's because the water sucks there. That's why.
You're not gonna
The tap
find
water.
you're not gonna find a New York style bacon, egg, and cheese.
They have a diner here.
Yeah, diners are good. Diner food's just diner food, but I'm talking like a nice bagel.
Oh,
don't have one.
no. It's okay. I could pass up on the bagel for the time being. I have it enough in New York.
Do you keep fit with so much bagels, buddy? I have to fucking starve just to maintain weight.
Bro, I have different genetics, bro. It is what it is, bro. Not like I'm doing anything fancy, bro. I can't even take credit for it. Bro, my dad is 60 years old. He's like a $135, bro. It is what it is. What am I going to tell you?
We're rejecting
I got this
pre-market
steak
floor.
machine.
Why is my put so low? Oh, that's why. The VIX. I'm like, dude, I was green yesterday close to PCP and I'm down like crazy. They dropped the IV like crazy on these puts.
Sellers are still here.
I'm just holding puts, guys. Next Friday puts. I added, so not doing anything. Every time we gap up to make a new high pre-market, we usually sell off. This pattern has continued, always worked. Also, if you guys look at the daily time frame, it's Christmas trees. Red, green, red, green, red, green. As per the pattern, we're supposed to have a red candle today.
That's some William shit.
I don't know, buddy. It's been Christmas trees on a daily time frame. It's been a fucking pattern. No, QQQ and SPY.
Yeah.
Today we're supposed to have a red candle.
It's just so hard for me to trust supply, dude. How many times has supply looked like it's strong and then they just blow through it and run another dollar north?
Structure is broken, guys. FYI, we are in a negative structure, bearish structure. I'm still holding puts, and this is great.
I feel like this is a repeat of yesterday. It's just an extension of yesterday. I'm still holding.
No, I have Fridays this time.
Max Payne got updated to 628.
Nice. Today's OPEX. This is the 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. TCP is right below us.
There is a disgusting amount of puts out of the money. How does the flow look?
Personally, I want
what's that?
yesterday's POC to test. On SPY, yesterday's POC is right below us. Oh, it's a daunting task to go down. Yesterday's POC is 644.55, and then 2 days ago POC was 644.12. 644 is huge. Very hard to go down.
I'm a little hesitant, but I think I'm going to jump in a call. I'm in 645 calls. QQQ's firing it out.
What do you want?
This is a retest of this previous floor. Probably shouldn't stay in this long. QQQ's trying to fire it up. $1.44 average. If I can get 10 cents out of this, I'll sell. $0.08.
SPY's trying to bounce off the 5-minute 200 a little bit here.
Yeah, I just don't like this pre-market floor that we can reject and just print a fresh low from here. So
Yeah,
I'll probably
POC's
just get
right
out of
there.
it. I'm gonna get out of it.
It's
I'll re-enter
struggling.
myself.
POC
Cheers,
just moved
bears,
down.
guys.
I got 4 cents out of that. I'll wait for confirmation on the Qs. QQQ needs to move today. QQQ is so much bearish compared to SPY. If I see QQQ fire it out, then they're gonna try to go north.
Hey, did you end up selling UNH?
Are you talking
What
to
is
me?
UNH? No. I'm talking about the ma'am that had UNH. What's her name?
No, it's not in here right now. I hope so, because 300's price target. That's drama zone. That's a.
300 is a meat grinder zone. Yeah, they're gonna consolidate here for a while. It's
I'm
a
back
very
in
low beta
calls.
stock.
I'm back in 645 calls. My risk is low a day. I'll just risk low a day. I want them to flip this floor from pre-market. 645 60s needs to flip. It's also yesterday's highs. QQQ's looking like they're going to try to curl it up. I'm not overstaying my welcome. If I'm wrong, I'm stopping out immediately.
NQ's trying to find support on yesterday's lunch bounce.
Lunchbox?
Lunchbox.
QQQ wants to go lower.
Yep, losing it though.
QQQ wants to go lower. POC is here. Sellers are here. MACD's bearish. Conditions are bearish. 645.10 breaks. Then we got previous close right there. If they try to do a freaking gap close, they might hit the reverse gear before previous close. That's what I'm thinking. If not, they're probably going to just murder right through it, slice right through it. I'm down 3 cents here.
This is great. Let's dump, baby. I'm loaded.
I feel like market makers are just listening to you.
I'm like sitting here thinking they might do a big bounce before the 10 a.m. news.
Still got 20 minutes. QQQ is going to leak out
Don't
right
care.
now.
Friday's expiration. I'll be fine.
QQQ is putting in a fresh low, leaking. If we lose this 645.10 area, I'm stopping out of this. I'm down 6 cents.
They're just playing around yesterday's sloping resistance. The back test of it. From Wednesday to Thursday.
POC keeps dancing around here.
Yeah.
QQQ's got no strength. QQQ is dragging SPY lower. As soon as a bounce comes in on the Qs, they're gonna rocket this thing. I want 645.60s to touch. Lots of weakness on QQQ, guys. Say 80% chance we fucking dump right now.
Structure is bearish, guys. Don't forget. It's lower low, lower highs finally. Micro.
Lots of weakness on QQQ. QQQ is continuously fresh low, fresh low, fresh low. This is my last area. This is my saving grace here. Let's see if they bounce this. I added. This flip screen, I'm going to take my ad off. I just sold my ad. Basically break even on the day. I'm up $200 here, so I'm just gonna see if we lose this floor. Previous close is gonna get sliced. QQQ's continuously leaking lower. I'd like a retest of 645.60s if they can do it. Look at this. Look at QQQ's chart right now. Look at how weak it is.
You're chasing calls.
I'm not chasing calls. I'm fucking in calls in profit. It's a double bottom. We're right above previous close. 645.60 should retest. If they flip 645.60s, that's VWAP. We're going to head all the way back up to the 200.
They flip this, they'll go.
And Q's trying to flip. Oh yeah, let's go.
Here's the bounce on QQQ. I just don't know how much legs we got. I got $1,300 here.
This is PCP on ES too.
Let's see if we got legs. 645.60s. That's like my ideal price target. I'm in this trade for too long. I'm probably going to jump out. I'm getting out of it. I'm $400 on the day. I'm out of it. I need QQQ to actually pick up the gas. If I see QQQ pick up the gas here and get above 579, I'll jump back in calls. But we got previous close right here everybody's looking at. They'll probably go through it. This isn't the trade. I don't like being stuck in same days for this long, this early into market. I'm afraid to chase puts here too for a bear trap. I don't know if they're going to do a bear trap, so I'm going to wait.
This is ridiculous. I was green over here, and I'm red right now on my swings. They really took tolls on the IV.
They were messing with contracts all day yesterday and the day before yesterday. There they
Like, I was
go.
green right here. And I'm not green. I'm down 5,000 on my swings.
And you added.
And I added, well, I FOMO added at the top because we just kept fucking dumping. Let's go, baby. I'm actually down 3,000 now. Whoo, wow, channel broke.
Yeah,
Wow, channel
I
broke.
knew this was a game they were gonna just slice right through previous close. They were making
Channel
this
broke.
floor. They were making that floor look too obvious. QQQ's continuous selling pressure, very very weak QQQ.
Oh, yeah. Structure's bearish. Lower lows, lower highs, baby. Let's fucking dump. Boom, boom.
Market just doesn't go straight down, so maybe plan on taking profit today. You greedy bastard.
Let's go, baby. Just flip green. Very good. I'm holding.
Oh God. Why? What's up with you
We're
and not
going-
taking profits?
We are going down today, baby. No, I'm gonna take profits eventually.
I'm trying calls here for a retest of previous close. This candle flips red, I'll stop out immediately. Everything's bearish, but I'm not going to chase puts to here. So I want a retest of the floor that we broke through or previous close, whatever comes first. 645 calls, I'm in $1.05.
I think we're gonna have a bounce at 644 if you guys want calls. Wait till 644. We're not gonna have a bounce here. This is an empty pocket to 644.17. We're not gonna have a bounce here.
Oh, I get so annoyed when we're having bearish days. I just stopped out. I'm break even on the day. Flat. $0. This is POC from yesterday. QQQ is still super, super weak. How about IWM? IWM leaking? IWM's leaking. QQQ's leaking. A lot of stuff's leaking out right now. Let me see something.
I wonder, since it's OPEX, all the big boys sold their contracts, the calls, in the beginning of the day. That's why we have so much selling pressure right now. This is unbelievable selling pressure. We haven't had this in a while. Oh yeah, Joyce. VIX just spiked up. Let's go, baby.
QQQ
VIX is
still
breaking.
still leaking. QQQ 644. Yeah, 644 area is a bounce zone potential. I don't really like it.
A little bit lower, guys, and it's a meat grinder zone. 644.17 is a meat grinder zone.
I would go long off of yesterday's lows where we bounced. The higher low on yesterday, 642.70s if we get there. Or I'm going to wait for QQQ to show up with power. If bulls step in on QQQ, I'll jump. But I'm not chasing puts here.
I'm going to take some off. A little bit lower, and I'll take some off. One more tick lower. A little bit lower.
Continuous selling pressure on QQQ.
Tap it in. There you go, guys. Oh, wow. We just sliced through it. I just took some off. This is demand area. This is meat grinder zone, but holy shit, they
They're
want to go.
stepping
Let's
on-
go,
They're
baby.
stepping on the gas.
Let's go.
Yesterday's high or low is going to be my call area between 642.70s and 643.
Keep it going. Keep it going. We're about to hit the macro channel, guys, that everybody's social media is talking about. Macro channel is about to hit. A little bit lower and the macro channel hits. We might have
Macaroni
a
and
bounce
cheese.
there.
I'm going to try it again.
PCP was never back tested, so PCP should back test.
Nothing was back tested.
But the best moves don't back test, and it looks like they want to dump today. Look at the 5-minute candles.
I'm in 645 calls again.
10 minutes till news.
Trying to get my lunch on this.
This is meat grinder zone, guys.
Yeah, I'm going to take some off. Trying to get squeezed 10 cents out, but doesn't really seem like it wants to happen. I have a 79-cent average.
UNH is dumping. Beautiful. Hope you guys sold your calls. UNH is dumping nicely. 300, 305 is huge resistance on UNH.
All right, I'm back to 400 on the day. I want to stop these runners out. All right, $300 on the day. I'm going to change my strike to 644.
Yo, swing trades. You see that bearish divergence on the 15-minute chart? It's confirmed. I don't know if you're here, buddy. 15-minute bearish divergence is beautifully confirmed. Yeah, 30-minute, not yet. 30-minute, it's not clean, but 15 minutes is clean. 15-minute looking sexy.
I'm expecting a bounce.
Yeah. 30 minutes. It's not yet confirmed, man. I don't like it. 30 minutes. 15 minutes.
QQQ's
beautiful.
bouncing. Let's get a nice big bounce here. See what we can retest. I'm in at $1.33.
This is resistance for VIX. We should get a bounce here on SPY.
Very hard to squeeze 10 cents out of these contracts today. I'm going to take some off.
I wonder if they want to test the 5-day moving average today. They have not tested the 5-day moving average in a while.
MACD's curling up. We should get a nice bounce here. I don't want to stay in this too long. Contracts, call side contracts aren't really moving. They're not moving fast. They're getting destroyed as they go up.
Bearish, buddy. Bearish. This is the top of the meat grinder zone, guys. The bottom of the meat grinder zone is 642. If we break this, it's 642, guys. 642 is next, but we do have the macro channel coming up. Macro channel is at 643.14 right now. Macro channel is coming up.
Nice job, MBZ.
Empty pocket here, guys. 643 is price target.
It's like nails on a chalkboard when you say empty pocket. But a broken clock is right twice a day.
Why don't you post your yearly P&L? I'll post mine after.
Oh, God, you sound like Steve now.
No, but I'll actually post it.
I'm back in calls, 644 calls. I'm just nibbling. There will be a bear trap.
5. Long selling algo. See if it works.
Yeah, thank you, Ryan. News in 5 minutes, guys.
$200
$100.
SMA on the 15-minute SPY chart. I don't look at the 100 SMA on the 15-minute, buddy. I just look at it on the daily time frame.
I have
The daily
16
time frame.
I have 16 cents here. I'm going to trim some off. Actually, you know what? Let's hold this. QQQ's finally bouncing out of their range. MACD's curling up. I'm going to go down to 50 runners.
This is me grinder zone, guys.
I'm going to go down to 50 runners. $1.20 to $1.35. I'd like to see QQQ try to touch 578, and I'd like to see SPY go back up to like 644.70s, right below previous close if possible. If not, I'll keep working this. Waiting for the bear trap. MACD's curling. Nice bounce coming in on the Qs. What's the put to call ratio? Put side's
I didn't
heavy.
check.
Put side's a little bit heavier. Honestly, dude, looking at this chart and zooming out, it would make sense for them to just freaking stay in yesterday's range. Everybody that swung calls got murdered, and the puts from yesterday are probably destroyed also. I like the bounce coming in on QQQ. We got three green candles in a row, bullish.
Well, QQQ just bounced off of the news candle of yesterday. That's why. And VIX is at last week's lows, so that's why we can't go lower.
QQQ is at, QQQ's at pre-market low.
But QQQ made a lower low from yesterday's pre-market lows, the PPI reaction. So that's interesting.
I'm going to hold these runners through news. I don't recommend, but
Structure is bearish.
I have a cushion. How about $1,000 on the day? I'm up $25 on this position with runners.
This is major resistance on VIX. If VIX blows out of this resistance, it's party time. Major resistance on VIX right now. Buy conditions are bearish. EOC just popped on QQQ.
Less than 1 minute. I wouldn't really mess around with UNH, Patel. Honestly.
Not puts or calls, buddy. You could short the stock instead. I
Yeah.
hate the spread on UNH. Is the spread good on UNH?
No, it's awful. It's awful.
It's disgusting, I can imagine. And the IV is so jacked up because all the social media is looking at it right now. It's a very low beta stock. It's not supposed to move up and down 10%, FYI.
I'm holding these 50 runners through news. If we get a big overreaction south, to like 643 area, I'll just add to them. I feel like they're gonna rug the Bears.
It's just an investment type of a vehicle. I would hold it forever, UNH. Ooh, baby, let's fucking go. This is the macro channel, guys. This is the best level to get calls if you want right here, where we just bounced. If this macro channel breaks, guys, where the lower wick is, it's sayonara.
I just
We
added.
literally just bounced from the macro channel.
I just added to it. I like the overreaction move. We'll see if it works.
That's best level for calls, guys. This is the macro channel we hit. I'm still in puts.
Overreaction. Let's see if it is. I got a pretty shitty ad. It slipped me. Red.
Ooh, if this breaks, where are we going if this breaks? Oh, it's gonna be
642.
bad if this breaks.
We're going to
It's a macro
642.14.
Yeah, 642 I
642.7.
have if this breaks.
I think it's an overreaction.
If macro channel breaks, we're going exactly 642. About time they fucking break the macro channel. I'm tired of talking about it in my market updates.
Sloping resistance here.
Look at the 5-minute candle developing, guys. This is a bullish 5-minute candle developing.
I'm still in calls. I added on that news. QQQ's trying to flip their little supply here. I'm still in calls.
It is the best level for calls. You could hold some runners to PCP as it never was backtested.
Yours looks like a double bottom.
Oh, we're cooking now, Joyce. We are cooking.
That was the best level.
There we go. There's the bear trap I was fucking talking about.
This is sloping resistance.
I'm going to take half off.
Sloping resistance. Take some off right now here, guys. Take some off, Ryan. This is sloping resistance.
I already took half off.
Yeah.
QQQ's looking fucking super, super strong. That's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for bullishness to come in on QQQ.
I'm in puts. I just entered puts. Boom, boom, boom.
We're back to this meat grinder zone.
Yeah, this is me grinder zone.
But QQQ's got some strength showing up. Let's see. QQQ takes a run to VWAP, then I'm gonna hold these to previous close. I like the strength that just came in on the Qs. I'm actually gonna add back into this.
Spies at POC. This is me grinder zone.
No, QQQ is looking powerful, man. I'm going to take my ad back off here at the top. Just dollar cost averaging in, dollar cost averaging out. QQQ is looking like they want to try to push VWAP. If they run to VWAP, SPY's going to go straight to previous close. Fast. I got $1,000 here. I'm going to take my ad back off, I think, though, so I don't get wrecked on this. All right, I'm back to 50. Let's go. Let's get it done. QQQ strength. I see bullishness on QQQ. They flip this supply. We're going to go to previous close. The supply flips are going to go to previous close. Did you sell your swings?
No, I'm still in. I actually just added.
QQQ's at VWAP. SPY should run the previous close right now. I got a $1.23 average. We're at a $1.40. Bear trap. I got 20 cents here. You know what? I'm gonna start lighting this thing up a little bit.
Very bullish candle on the 5-minute time frame. This is a very nice candle.
I want a short PCP VWAP area. I'm gonna lighten this position up. I'm at 3,200. A little bit more. I'm gonna lighten up, and I'm gonna be looking for a put entry. You know what? I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm all out. I'm going to switch over to 645 puts. I want them to go near the 50 in the VWAP on the 1 minute, which is right below previous close. QQQ's rejecting VWAP. I'm in puts. I'm going to try it. 645 puts I'm in. QQQ's rejecting VWAP. I might be a little early on this, but good potential we touch 643.70s again. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you very much. QQQ flips VWAP. I'm going to stop out of this immediately, and I'll re-enter near previous close. We got squeeze coming in bullish. $643.70s is a safe bet. Did you get in on news candle, Norville? I added on that news candle on that wick. I'm in puts right now to 643.70s. I'd like. VWAP is rejecting on QQQ. Boom, boom, boom. 10 cents, I'm out of this. 10 cents, I'm out of this. $0.08. One more push. Come on, give it to me. 9 cents. I'm going to take it. I'm out. POC just popped in. My fucking fills are slow as shit today. Are your fills slow, Dimitri?
Mine are also slow. I didn't clear my cache.
Dude, I hit market sell on that wick and it closed me like halfway up. My eyes are on QQQ right now. If QQQ punches through VWAP and they take off with power, I'm jumping back in calls. Best area is like 643.70s to get in. I'm back in. I'm fucking trying it. I gotta clear my cache. After this trade, I'm gonna shut my broker and clear my cache out. It's hard to scalp, even if I have like a 2 or 3 second delay. QQQ's looking like they're gonna try to flip VWAP. We should get a push to previous close. That's what I'm thinking. Squeeze is bullish. MACD's curling up. But POC just came in here on QQQ. Why?
This is meat grinder zone from yesterday, Ryan.
Look at the structure on the Qs right now. This is looking like they're going to do a V-shape reversal. Every bear is shorting this supply. I want them to pop through this 644.50 area, and then I'll probably take some off again. Let's go. There goes QQQ through VWAP. Let's see if SPY has strength now. I got a few cents here, nothing crazy. 6, 7 cents here. This is where we can reject. I'm going to take half off again just in case.
QQQ is above VWAP though, right?
Yeah, that's what I said. It just pushed through.
No, it pushed through at 10 o'clock.
No. No. What the hell? VWAP is at 578.50, buddy.
No.
Yes.
Not my VWAP.
Well, your VWAP's wrong.
I mean, I'm not arguing with you. It's just what I see on my trading view. I don't give a fuck where VWAP is on QQQ. I'm just saying that my VWAP is at 578.10. That's where my VWAP is on QQQ, which is very interesting.
No, that's you're looking at an EMA.
Okay, cool.
You're looking at the 21 EMA on the 1 minute. I don't know. I don't know what VWAP I have then, but my VWAP saying 578.50. And we're right above it. We're actually closing above it right now.
Very interesting.
Are you looking at your
VWAP
trading
on
view VWAP or your Thinkorswim VWAP?
No, I trade on my Thinkorswim. I don't care about my Thinkorswim indicators.
Are you sure it's not an EMA? Or try refreshing it. You know how it has that
Very
little
weird.
circle next to it, that purple circle? Try refreshing it.
Let me see. Oh, hold on. I never updated my indicators. Am I supposed to update my indicators?
Yeah, they might have to be refreshed. Still holding 50 runners, guys. I would really like to see them blow through this supply here and go touch previous close. QQQ's above. I'm going to get out of this. I'm out. 644 put calls. I'm out.
This is meat grinder zone, guys. There's no trades here. 0 dates especially. This is a very, very big chop zone, so be very careful.
The best area to try calls is 643.70s, and then the best area to short is 644.54. But if they flip 644.50s, we're going to blast off the previous close. That's why I don't trust that supply. I don't know, Ryan. Is it Joey?
Very interesting.
Did you refresh?
Why do they keep refreshing the indicators? Like I have to completely change my layouts and settings and colors. They keep refreshing it.
After you do that, Dimitri, you gotta press save. If you don't save it, it's not gonna save what you updated. Man, I so badly want to get back into calls. I gotta wait for them to go first. Like you can't chase this move here. You gotta let them go. Let them flip 644.54, and then we should get a nice power move to VWAP previous close area and SPY. Probably price target from here is like 644.80s. But they have to do it first. They can't go down too far today because there's 3 million puts waiting to get paid. And they're not going to blue sky it because there's in the money calls. This could be the day. This could be where we just go sideways and just fucking annihilate them. Market order now is max 10 on Robinhood. That's ridiculous, dude. What do they just make? Where does that come from? Where do they decide that today's going to be 10 contracts? I'm back in calls, guys. QQQ's breaking out. I'm back in calls.
It's terrible. Robinhood
QQQ's
is
breaking
terrible.
out. QQQ's breaking out. We got to flip this 644.50s. I'm back in calls. Strength. I see strength on QQQ. If they flip the supply here, it's going to be VWAP previous close area. I got 10 cents here already. Let's get it done. Boom, 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 boom. There we go.
Where's your VWAP on SPY, Ryan?
644.80s.
Yeah, mine lines up with your SPY, but not QQQ.
I got 15 cents here. I'm going to book half. This is the 50 on the 1 minute. Holding 50. QQQ's at the 200 now. Are you on the 1 minute chart, Dimitri, on QQQ?
I'm looking at QQQ on the 5-minute chart.
Do you have an anchored VWAP?
No.
Like what indicator is it? What is it called? Is it just called VWAP session?
It's called Dimitri Special VWAP.
I guess
Fucking
so.
VWAP, Ryan.
There's a million different VWAPs. There's anchored VWAPs. There's session VWAPs. There's tons of different VWAPs. There's probably just a different indicator, buddy. I don't know. These nuts.
Yeah, it's called These Nuts. Perfect. These Nuts WAP.
These nuts.
Oh, God.
I'm still holding 50 runners, guys. QQQ's at the 200. We're above this little supply here. Supply is pretty much right here, actually. If we lose this supply, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out.
You're still bearish.
Dude, I just back-to-back calls like 4 times in a row. I'm up 4,000 on the day. I don't care about the freaking macro perspective. I see QQQ trying to do a V-shaped reversal right now. If SPY joins this party, we're going to rock it. QQQ is very, very far away. SPY didn't even start buzzing yet.
Let's go. I just added.
Q's has to hold 578.40s. It's an inverse head and shoulders on QQQ.
Just got a notification, guys. The big boys are in puts. I don't know how credible this is. I just posted it.
Yeah, December strike.
MACD looking horrible on the 15-minute chart, guys. If you look at the 15-minute chart, MACD looking horrible. They want to go lower. I'm going to sell my ad at 949 bottom candle. 643.84, I'm going to sell my ad.
I like QQQ. Inverse head and shoulders on QQQ. They're forming another shoulder right now. MACD just filled up the gas, though.
little bit lower, and I'll sell my ads. So yeah, I am taking profit, right? I'm adding, I'm selling, I'm adding, I'm selling, but the bulk I'm still holding, the bulk of the position. POC keeps dancing here. Come on, give me one more tick down.
I'm gonna hit calls again. Look at QQQ, man. They're stair stepping in an algo now. I'm back in 644 calls. Just to the supply. 644.50s. This candle flips red, then 643.70s is the best area to try. As long as QQQ is above 578.40, I'll still try calls. If they lose 578.40, then well, actually it looks like they're about to do it right now.
Boom, boom, boom. A
Yeah,
little
I'm
bit
gonna
lower.
stop.
One more
Stop
tick
out of
lower.
this.
There you go. You want
Dude,
slower?
I am not liking these fucking fills today on Charles Schwab, man.
A little bit lower or no?
I hit the sell button 5 seconds ago and it just filled me.
I just sold my ads. This is demand.
Yeah,
I'm
this
still
is the
holding the
best area
bulk
to
of my
try.
position. I just sold
QQQ's
my ad.
QQQ's still holding that 578.40s. If they slice through it, then we should put in a fresh low in SPY.
This is demand for SPY. If this demand breaks, we're gonna break the floor.
Crazy slow fills today. That's really pissing me off.
Clear your cash.
Yeah, I have to. I got myself back into another position here. This is the potential shoulder on QQQ. Inverse head and shoulders right now. QQQ has to hold this 578.40s.
It's cool that on the Super Dom, it posts where you filled and where you exited. I just
Oh yeah.
discovered that.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, there's sloping resistance here. This is meat grinder. We've been in this meat grinder zone since freaking 950. This is meat grinder. I have a $1.05 average. Basically break even here.
I think today's the day that they break the macro channel, guys, because all social media was talking about it for a while.
They can't. They can't go down that far. There's 3 million puts out of the money right below us. All those puts that got
But it's
steamrolled,
really,
they need to stop them out.
really deep. They're really deep out of the money, though. That's why maybe they could go a little bit lower. Check the open interest on the puts that are out of the money. I'm pretty sure they're like deep, deep, deep south.
Let me get out of this fucking trade first. I'm just trying to play this channel here. I see a freaking inverse head and shoulders on QQQ. That's why I'm very... I knew someone was going to do that, Joey. The deep south. Little Dicky.
Oh, by the way, guys, swing trades. I wanted to ask you. What do you think about them not decreasing the rates on September? A huge, huge possibility, huh, buddy?
Trump's going to want to freaking fire Powell even more if he doesn't drop the rates.
I highly believe that we're not gonna have interest rates decreased on September. even though it says like 98% that they are. Me too, Norval. Me
They're
too.
gonna
I don't think we're gonna have
the market's gonna freak out.
The market is gonna collapse
Yeah, they'll
soon.
freak out.
IWM is gonna be the winner. IWM is gonna be the winner. I highly believe that we're not gonna have a rate cut.
As long as I see QQQ hold this area where I just posted on my chart, I'm staying in calls on SPY. If they lose that area, then I'm out.
That makes sense also, Norval. I'm looking at fucking 10% of the producer, and the core inflation was horrible yesterday.
How is the inflation expectation today?
Buddy,
I didn't even look.
fucking yesterday's data was horrific.
I'm
I'm
gonna stop out of
shocked.
this. QQQ just broke that.
Bitcoin took it very negatively yesterday. I have no idea why SPY and QQQ went up yesterday.
I'm fucking over trading,
Yesterday's
dude. This is pissing me off.
Yesterday's very bad.
I just got stopped out and now I'm fucking back in. Pissing me off. This day. This is fucking fake out. QQQ broke and now they're gonna rocket north. I'm back in. 644 calls. I'm in 200 of them. 99 cents average. We're at $1.15. I'm gonna take 100 off here. I just got my loss back and made money. They don't want to go down fast today. That's what I'm starting to notice. They want to keep the price pinned.
I'm about to add. I just added on my fill. Let's see.
I think they're gonna wreck the Bears, Ryan. I truly do. QQQ's making fucking inverse head and shoulders. If SPY wakes up and joins the party, they're gonna go. They're gonna go fast. That was a stop loss hunter because my stop was 643.70s and they blew right past it and then immediately hit the reverse gear. I want to sell this at supply, 644.50s again. $0.99 average. We're at $1.20. Meat grinder. QQQ is trying to break sloping resistance. They got the 200 right above us. And SPY supply 644.50s.
My concern is that they hit the macro channel and the reversal wasn't huge. We were supposed to get
I think this is just foolery, in my opinion. This is just foolery. QQQ filled the gap from was that gap filled? That gap was already filled, never mind. A little bit higher I sell.
Higher, low, higher, high. Ooh, VIX is at break of structure. Oh god. If VIX breaks this, we're gonna fucking rock it.
QQQ's making a cup.
This is very crucial for VIX.
I'm gonna take it. I'm jumping out. I'm at 5,600. I'm gonna take a breather. I feel like I'm over trading. I'm fucking 40 fills. Ridiculous. We've been in the same area here Max pain. Let me see if it updated. Max pain is 628. $628 is max pain. But they can't go too far. They can't go too far too fast.
Boom, boom, boom. Price target is LOD. I'm gonna take off my ads on LOD area.
$628 is max pain. But there's way too many puts out of the money, man. There's way too many puts out of the money. I don't think that they're not gonna go that far. Look at the difference. I don't care if there's 400,000 calls in the money, man. There's no way that they're gonna run too far down today because there's way too many puts that will get paid if they start going south too fast. They can do it at the end of the day when everybody starts stopping out, but we gotta look at let's look at this. Put side is very heavy right now also. There's 1 million puts to 800,000 calls.
Boom, boom, boom. Go, go, go. Low of day, I will take my ads off. Break of structure for SPY's VWAP. That was a horrible reaction from the macro channel, man. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna break that fucking macro channel today. We were supposed to get a better reaction.
Dude, look at the open interest on 625 puts.
Well, obviously, we're not gonna go to 625, buddy. We're
But
probably gonna go.
that's where the
42.
that's where the herd's trapped.
I think we're gonna go to 642, in my opinion. We're not going to fucking 640, even in my opinion. The daily
640
expected move wasn't that big.
642 is the max pain for Monday.
Yeah, I doubt that we're gonna go that far.
I'm just looking at the open interest for out the money puts, and it's loaded all the way down to the 620s. There's way too many freaking puts out of the money. That's the problem. That's why I don't believe that they're gonna go fast.
Ryan,
Yo,
this is the most fucked up thing ever, and I'm so lucky that I got out of it. Yeah, I was in them 644 calls with you, and bro, I ended up 9 contracts in.
why?
I don't fucking know, bro. I don't know. I got stopped so many times on fucking calls this morning. I got out of it green, but holy fucking shit.
You need to you don't need to add. You just sell if you're wrong. I stopped out multiple times and I just kept repositioning myself.
Yeah, I can't believe I just kept adding, bro. Like,
if one trade wrecks you, you should be able to get it back in 1 or 2 trades if you use the same position sizing.
fuck, man. I kept adding 643.90, 643.80, 643.70, 643.60, and
What do you mean 643.60? What are you talking about?
I just kept adding those areas. Like, kept adding and adding and adding and adding.
You played
Let's
the
see if I
news
can
candle?
show my... No,
Don't you-
no, I didn't play the news candle.
Oh.
Let's see. This is fucking disgusting. I've never been that bad before.
You're green?
I'm not green on the day, but I was green on that trade eventually. I just posted the fucking fills, bro. This shit is disgusting. It doesn't show the times though.
Yeah, it doesn't show the contract prices either.
Macro sloping support is my price target to remove my fills. The bulk of my position I'm still holding. A little bit lower. Keep going.
QQQ's got a long way to go down, so SPY could really push through this demand now. QQQ cracked.
going, baby.
QQQ cracked that 578.40s area that I was talking about. How much did you go down, Joey?
I was down like 330.
What'd you sell it for?
I'm looking at that right now. I don't know how the fuck I was green then. Like I sold it for $1.22.
Your
But I was
average
up
price.
$105.
Your average price is 96 cents.
So that's how. I sold at $1.22. And then I sold the rest of them at...
But this one says total quantity 1.
Yeah, because that was the last one that I sold at $1.10. Let me see. Oh, shit, I sent the wrong screenshot. Hold on. Oh, because that's what I was buying, because I kept buying one at a time. And then sold 5, sold 3, and sold 1.
Your ad should be one and one. So if you're gonna add, don't add one contract at a time. Just double it down and then sell your double.
So if you have one if you're going to do it, you buy 2 more.
Well, for you to work your way up to 9 just by adding one contract at a time that's not how I dollar cost average. It's if you're in 2 contracts, you just double it to 4, and then double 4 to 8. Excuse me.
God bless you.
But don't get caught into that dollar cost averaging bullshit, buddy. That's this fucking. If you're wrong, you need to know when to sell. You're better off just selling and then repositioning yourself with the same size and then getting your loss back.
Dude, I was like 40% of my account into that trade. Like, that's fucking disgusting.
Yeah. Don't do that shit.
Yes, very dangerous. Very fucking dangerous.
Sloping resistance is right here. I'm going to try calls again if sloping resistance breaks.
Fucking cocksucker.
Sloping resistance is like 640, 420s. If they punch through that, I'll jump in calls to try for them to touch supply for the 5th time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th time.
Good news is I'm eligible for a payout now.
Really?
Congrats.
Yeah, I don't have enough to take a payout, but I'm eligible for it.
Wow.
I guess I could take a payout. There's 3,200, so I could take 1,500 and have a $1,700 drawdown.
Just fucking take it, dude. It's your money. You're gonna end up blowing it up if you keep fucking around with it.
Ryan G, should I take $1,000 and leave the rest, or take the 15 and leave 17?
Oh, Ryan G should post the more you fuck around, the more you find out. That's his
Yeah.
answer to you.
Yeah. Just pay
Probably
yourself.
coming right now. It's probably coming right now.
That's your money, buddy. Just fucking pay yourself.
Buddy, take your fucking money and run. Who cares?
Yeah, that's.
I should be able to do it.
100%
Ryan,
Joey,
can I take it today, or do I have to wait till Monday?
You can take it after close today if today's your last day.
Yeah, today's 5 days of the 150.
Yeah, so lock it up. Don't trade that. Don't even touch that account anymore.
I'm in
If
calls
you
still,
wanna try
guys.
to
Sloping
keep trading
resistance
it-
is breaking.
I would take how much did you say your total is?
32.25.
32.25. Take I would say minimum take 1,200.
Okay.
Sloping resistance.
You
is
got a
right
little
here.
bit to try to, you know, you have some drawdown to keep doing that account, but then 1,200, I mean, that covers plenty more combines if you're gonna get more if you do blow it.
I have 2 more that I can fund right now. I'm just leaving them.
I just sold. This is sloping
I would-
resistance. I'm out.
I would definitely take your 1,200 minimum.
All
Oh,
right.
they're breaking it. They're breaking it. They're gonna go touch supply. This is sloping resistance. I'm all out though. I'm all cash. Joey, freaking post this shit in the group, man. I'm so proud of you, dude.
As soon as I get the payout, I'll post it.
No. Post it where it says that you're eligible for a payout.
Oh, yeah.
I just
When
added
will
to
I-
my guys right at sloping resistance.
I don't think I'll get the email till the end, though.
I'm proud of
You'll
you,
get
man.
an email when you actually submit for the payout.
Oh.
Have you ever filled out the payout form before?
No. No. I'm like fucking 20. I'm like 20 G's into Top Step accounts with no fucking payouts.
First one's huge.
Fucking 350 combine accounts.
That's ridiculous.
Jesus.
Plus 10 fucking 15 funded accounts that I blow 20 minutes after I fund them.
Look at sloping
baby.
resistance
Dude.
rejection. Beautiful sloping resistance rejection.
Bottom of the channel is my price target. My orange line, I'm shaving.
This is meat grinder. We're making a wedge, actually.
Joey, you can go to Top Step's dashboard and fill out the like tax form that you have to fill out. You can fill it out like before you're eligible for a payout.
All right, I'll do that now when I go back in. Only fucking 19 more payouts and I can break even with these cocksuckers.
I
can
wouldn't
do it,
even.
bro.
I wouldn't even focus on that. What you lost, dude. It was a part of learning.
Yeah, just
That
focus
probably
on
was.
good trades, dude. That's literally all it is. You focus on good trades and not the money, you'll be profitable.
How long did it take you to start getting payouts, Ryan? A year or two?
Over a year.
Yeah.
Yeah, like probably, I think, year and a half, maybe. Maybe like a
Wow.
year and like 3 months, 2 months, something like that.
All right,
And
so
then I
give
took
yourself some credit, Joey.
25,000 out of Apex.
Sloping
Wow, what the
resistance
hell?
is right here. This is sloping resistance.
Disgusting.
This is just penalty corner right now. We're burning in this range, this box here. 643.70s to 644.50s, less than $1 range.
Ryan G, have you made it onto the leaderboard for Top Step yet?
No, I'm not giving them any of my information to be released.
Oh. I always look all the time when they post it, and I haven't seen you up there.
No, I don't want my name out there anywhere.
Guys, I don't really see any trades here. We're just meat grinding now. This is getting tighter. This is the range.
Okay.
This is like a no trade zone now for me. I would say we'll let them break either side of this. Let them either
If you guys
break.
look at the wedge, we're
break
forming
down
like
or
a
break up.
rising wedge. Yeah, we're like forming a rising wedge on the macro sloping support. And it lines up perfectly with like 4 p.m. today. If we just go sideways.
QQQ is still looking pretty weak.
I still think low of day is going to be tested. That news candle for low of day was not a good structure.
Yeah, I think they can test it too.
QQQ has a lot of room to come down, so if they do break and pull it, then SPY's going to dump. I actually agree with you for once, Dimitri.
Yeah,
I am getting what is that called? Deja vu?
What do you mean with what?
From how many times you said that they were going to hit low a day yesterday.
Oh, I got super greedy.
This is the bottom of the box here. This is demand. Let's see if they crack it.
Boom, boom, boom. Wow, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is great. Oh,
QQQ
buddy.
has a lot of room, Dimitri. QQQ has a lot of room to low a day if they do it.
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. I gotta take it. I gotta take it. I gotta take it. I gotta take it. This is great. A little bit more. A little bit more. I just sold my ads. I just sold my ads a little bit more. I'm still in the bulk of my position. I just sold my ads.
Mark, it looks like that's very possible. 577. Structure's bearish.
I'm just gonna keep rinsing.
They're
and
just
repeating
they're taking their time to go down today. That's it. They want to be bearish. There's just way too many people that swung puts, so they can't go fast. If we reject the bottom of this box here, the bottom of this channel, this would be great if they reject this. What are you holding, Dimitri?
822 puts. Here, I'm holding this.
Oh, you're green.
Oh, I'm very green. Still holding. Bulk of the position.
QQQ's got a lot of room. QQQ's got a lot of room to go down. They got a lot of room to go down. 643.20s. That Newswick is price target right now.
Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Macro sloping support. I'm going to sell a little bit more.
Look at the fuckery that they're doing, though. Only thing that's scaring me right now is that 1026 candle. And that, well, that's a 1001 news candle, but bulls do have strength down here for them to fire it up. There's just no legs. They just got no legs.
A little bit more. Keep it going, baby.
Tap it in.
There you go. There we go. There we go. Let's fill the cup. Let's make a inverse handle. Then after, and then dump. It's gonna take time for the dump, guys. We're not gonna dump right away. We have to fill the cup. Inverse cup.
It's
fucking freezing here.
I was just thinking the same thing. It's cold in my house.
I just turned off my AC. I'm freezing, buddy.
We got a heat advisory today. It's going to be hot as shit today.
I'm wearing a hoodie and I'm freezing.
Oh, Joey, you know better than anybody, dude. My AC is always pumping. Heat index 105 to 109 today. That's disgusting.
When is the Jackson Hall meeting? Can anybody tell me where Powell talks? The Jackson Hall. Is that next Friday?
What is it called? Jackson Hall?
Jackson Hall, yeah. When is that? I think that's next Friday.
August 21st through the 23rd.
Is that Friday? Next Friday? Or Thursday?
Let me look.
Sorry, I'm just like fucking monitoring this candle and I'm like, I got my finger on sell.
20. What did I say? 21st through the 23rd. That's next Thursday to Saturday.
Yeah. That's where the fireworks starts, in my opinion, guys. I highly believe that Powell is not going to decrease interest rates. I do not believe so. If I had an account at that betting thing, I would bet that interest rates won't decrease. A great risk reward.
Oh, Dimitri,
Everybody thinks,
did you get my pictures I sent you yesterday?
oh, that hoodie is fire, buddy. Can you please
Oh,
order me one?
buddy, I found it's the Young LA supplier.
Can you please? Woohoo! Let's fucking go.
They
I
do
just
all
sold more, guys. I just sold more. Let's go, baby. Let's dum.
they
Still
do
have the
all
bulk
like
of my.
they do all acid wash and distressed apparel.
This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Keep it going, baby.
Joey,
I'm
you'll like
holding
this.
runners. I'm holding runners now only, guys, because we kind of filled the cup inverse. Now we have to pop and form a handle. So we're not gonna dump right away. I highly
Jo-
believe we're gonna make a handle.
Joey, check that out. Tell me what you think. They have like acid wash and like distressed.
Yeah, I like this. This is my style. I like it a lot. The thing is that I have so many fucking hoodies, man.
Yo, they have yeah, it's got the bull. It's got the bull and the bear on the back. I'm
You've
trying to
been
find
working
different.
hard.
I'm trying to
You
find
were
different
working.
suppliers. What?
You were working yesterday.
Yeah, I want to build like another collection, like a nicer collection in the store, and like try to find like higher quality material and like acid wash shirts, like Young LA style, you know? I got no trade here. We're rejecting the bottom of this demand zone. QQQ still has some room to go lower, but this could be higher low on the chart for QQQ.
A little bit lower, I'll sell more. I really want my macro channel to hit. If you're looking at my screen, it's my orange line. My orange line hits, I'm gonna sell more.
Be your macaroni and cheese. I think I'm going to shut my broker.
A little bit more.
Yeah, I'm going to shut the broker off. I'm happy. No greed. No greed. No greed.
A little bit lower. Go to your home. No, you want to go home. Just go home. Are you too good for your home?
Psycho. Remember?
Psycho.
He's freaking tweaking out, smashing his club into the ground. He's like, this guy's a psycho.
All right, guys, we might form an inverse handle here, so be very careful if you're shorting. Yeah. I'm going to add if we hit EOC. I'm playing your strategy today, Ryan.
What is that?
Average in, average out, average in, average out, but I'm still holding the bulk of my position.
To me, they're gonna meat grinder this because of the data. What I'm looking at, the data just doesn't make sense for them to just royal flush today. Too many bears are gonna get paid, and they need to burn the bulls out. So they're going nice and slow. Look at the squeeze, Dimitri. We've had continuous squeeze since 10 o'clock. Continuous squeeze since 10 o'clock. What the hell is that?
Psycho.
The original. Nothing beats the original. I'm telling you. Any of those remakes, nothing beats the original.
Oh yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Hit
Dan,
my
are you printing?
Hit my orange line, buddy. And I'm going to shave most of my position. Hit my orange line, baby. Hit my orange line. Break of structure is exactly the 50% retracement, guys. Break of structure. They could go to the 50% retracement eventually. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. I'm about to sell.
Hey, Den, I got a question for you. Can you find me, there's this like really rare Japanese whiskey I want, and I can't find it anywhere. Think you can find it for me? Yeah. It's called Hibiki. I'll send you a picture.
Wasn't it in your spirits place? In the
No, they have.
showcase?
I want the 21-year one. They have like a. They have one there, but it's not the one that I want. It's supposed to be like one of the best whiskeys. Hibiki,
21?
it's called. Well, they have a 55-year, which is like crazy expensive. It's like a Louis expensive.
Ugh. When I went on vacation on my honeymoon, Ryan, a few years back, I found a Glenfiddich 25-year-old bottle. And
Really?
they had a Glenfiddich, yeah, 25-year-old, and they had a sale where you buy two, you get one free. So my average cost was like $350 a bottle. Those bottles exponentially went up, probably by times 3. I have 3 of those bottles. Glenfiddich. 25 years.
Look at how expensive
I
this
like
is.
I like collecting bottles.
Look at this. This is ridiculous. 499,000.
Hmm.
Who the hell would buy that?
The market makers. They'll sip and laugh at all the retards like us.
How rich do you have to be to spend $500,000 on a bottle of whiskey? That's what I want to know. It's 55 years old. I've seen him sell for over $1 million.
Come on, let's go. Let's get it done. Volume is going up. Volume is increasing. Woohoo! Let's go. A little bit lower and I sell. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. Oh, there you go. There we go. There we go. Here we go. Macro channel is hitting. There you go, guys. I just sold. I'm down to 30% of my runners, guys, and that's it.
QQQ
30%.
still has room.
I sold
QQQ's
predominantly everything.
QQQ's on demand here. Mark, this is probably a good exit zone for your puts on
This
QQQ.
is the best exit zone, guys. This is the best exit zone. Just relax now. But if this breaks, we're going to 642. I just don't think they're gonna flush. It's Friday, and structure needs to create a handle, an inverse handle to flush. I think they're gonna meat grinder another like a half hour. Plus, this is the macro sloping support channel. some of it again. I'm down to runners. That's it. If they dump, it's gonna be great. I don't think they're gonna dump, guys, right now.
Den, how much could you get that for me? That's the one that I want, the 21 year.
When the fuck do we have ice cream?
Oh shit, dude! I love that movie. Scratch.
Scratch. Oh, they want to do it. They really want to do it? I doubt it. I doubt it. I'm holding, but let's see. Oh, wow, Ryan G, you know.
Oh, for my lovely stars of Liza. What does he say?
You picked up my CD. You scratched my CD in broad daylight. Clear daylight.
Dude, if you think about this, the storyline to that movie, it's so fucked up. That's awesome.
They have to form an inverse cup. It doesn't make sense for them to dump right now, guys, so we're gonna consolidate.
QQQ's bouncing off a demand.
Yeah, they can't dump right away, guys. I'm holding 30%.
My broker's off. I wouldn't like to go long here because we're rejecting the floor that we were making all morning.
We're gonna go up a little bit.
Sloping resistance cracks, we probably have room to like the 50 on the 1 minute, 643.90 for like a scalp. If that 643.90s gets taken out, then 644.20s if you're trying to be bullish. But if we keep rejecting this floor, then I'd say stay away from the call side until you see them flip it.
I'm so tired. It was a very, very long night.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, buddy. I gotta call you.
Oh, I can't wait. Scratch.
If we make another lower low, guys, I'm selling everything. Because we're gonna make a bullish divergence if we make another lower low. If we make a new low of day, I'm selling everything. And then I will reposition myself again. I highly doubt that they're gonna dump right now. VIX is not saying a story that we're gonna dump right now. VIX is literally
I think that guy's my favorite, Ryan. Or possibly tucked in. Should I wear it up like this?
Let's get it done. Let's get it done, baby. What the fuck? Sorry, excuse me, guys. We are exactly at the macro sloping support, guys. This is the macro sloping support. This is a good area for calls. I'm not entertaining calls. We're exactly at macro sloping support.
No,
I
this is
think they're gonna
bearish now.
break down,
They
make a
rejected.
lower low, and we're gonna make a bullish divergence.
They rejected that floor. They keep rejecting this floor at 643.70s. It's bearish. Until they can get back above that, then.
Okay.
It's molasses. I got no trades here. I'd say if you're looking for a trade, let them break 643.70s, and then we have room to sloping resistance, but it's not far now. Now we're just stair-stepping south. I wouldn't entertain puts at low a day, and we're too bearish to jump in calls at the moment. So let them go. If you want to move, you got to let them go first.
We keep bouncing off of macro sloping support.
But look at the squeeze, and look at the MACD just hugging and kissing. They're just going to burn here. MACD's sideways, and we got continuous squeeze, but price isn't buzzing. QQQ has to dump to low a day for us to take another leg down. We're sitting on demand on Qs. We're also on pre-market floor from Thursday pre-market.
Narvel, this is exactly the moment I love. When the fuck did we get ice cream? This is the best scene. When the fuck did we get ice cream? Oh yeah, let's go, baby. Break the floor. I'm all out. We're gonna make a bullish divergence, guys, if we break the floor.
QQQ is still bouncing off that demand from Thursday pre-market.
Damn it. Break the fucking floor.
Yeah, Dimitri, I was up until like 1 in the morning messing around with that freaking TikTok shop. It's ridiculous.
Did they approve the corporation?
Yeah, they approved it, and then I had to, I don't know. I'm trying to get the shop set up on.
Do you want me to ask my VA so she could take care of it?
It should be fine now. I just don't. I'm trying to figure out how to link the products from the store to the TikTok account.
Okay.
Isabel diría que viniste en 3 horas después que descanses. Escúchame, ponte mi café, ven.
Bullish divergence, guys. Bullish divergence.
Listen to me. This is sloping resistance.
But the conditions tell me that this bullish
bearish.
divergence is gonna fail.
It's bearish, man. Look at the squeeze. 643.70s. They need to crank through 643.70s with power for the bulls to move, to try to move this sucker. There's a lot of demand. There's strong demand here on QQQ. Lots of
This
touch
bullish
points.
divergence is gonna fail. I'm gonna sell everything when we break the floor, and I will re-enter after. I do believe that the 50% is gonna be tested. I don't know if they want to do it now
You
or
didn't take your
later.
profits? You said that you were
Oh,
gonna take a fresh
I'm
low.
only holding 30%. So even if we go high of day, I'm not gonna turn red.
This is important right here. 643.70s.
This
very
is a bullish
important.
divergence, guys. We just confirmed it.
They have to reject this here. If they don't reject this, then you can catch the move, a little push north. But it's not going to go far. I'd say max to the 50 on the 1 minute. And if they take that out, then 644.20s.
If we go to POC, I'm adding.
Where's your POC? 644.10.
Correct. I think this bullish divergence is gonna fail because of the conditions.
Oh, yeah.
Five-minute candle looking bullish, guys. 5-minute candle looking very bullish. This is looking like a reversal. Higher low. They could be possible higher low on the 5-minute time frame. This is sloping resistance.
I'm with you, Ryan. It's just you need to let them go first.
This is sloping resistance. I just added, guys. Very small. Sloping resistance. That's why I'm adding. Small, small, small. I also just entered shorts, Norval. I really think they're gonna break the floor, get all the bears riled up, and then they moonshot this shit to 50% retracement. When the fuck did we get ice cream? This is the previous floor. This is also sloping resistance. We should drop here, guys. Hopefully. EQQ is not participating in this. EQQ giving up.
QQQ's got that demand at 576.80s, 85. That's my only concern.
50% retracement is 644.65. Yeah, no, I'm doing 50% retracement on intraday, buddy.
644.75,
Today's high and today's low.
yeah. 74.
Today's high and today's low. That's how I do my 50%. I'm playing intraday 50%.
Your best that 50% pretty much lines up with the top of that 10-15 candle.
Correct, and that's break of structure.
Yeah.
Top of 10-15 candle is break of structure, guys. They could go all the way there. I'm gonna add more at POC. I'm just gonna nibble, nibble, nibble. Nibbling 50 contracts at a time.
Oh boy.
Should have stuck with my original plan to wait for POC. Sloping resistance did break. A little bit higher.
I'm about to jump off, buddy. Does anybody have any questions of me? I don't like these market conditions. It's Friday. If you're green, shut it off. That's what I say.
VIX broke structure, guys. VIX is in bearish structure now. VIX just broke
Option
structure.
stock. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hey, at some point next week, because I can't trade in Schwab until the 20th, is there any chance that one of y'all could do a class on Thinkorswim setup and best quickest ways to do options for what we're doing? Or is there any way that
Of
one of
course.
y'all could jump on early or stay late and maybe
Yeah.
just give me a little? I think
Yeah.
there's a few people that said they might swap to Schwab, so a few of us might benefit from that.
Yeah, of course. I posted my layout earlier. Did you open it up?
I might have missed it if it was. I got to the desk right at 8:30 or 9:30 Eastern.
Let me.
So I'll go check it out. I've been playing with it. I'm trying to do as much research as I can just to save y'all the time. So I've been playing with it regularly. The other thing is, how easy is the mobile version? Because
Terrible.
my fucking internet every once in a while goes out, like it did this morning. Luckily, I was in puts at that early giant red candle. So I have to jump on my fucking Robinhood phone and go upstairs so that I can make sure I get a good set sailor signal. So I just want to be able to make sure I can sell out of a position on mobile on my phone.
Yeah, you could
I
close
don't
out of
plan
it.
on
It's just I don't recommend trade. It's very complicated. The phone version. It's very, very complicated.
All right, yeah, I don't plan on really trading from it. I just want to be able to hedge my risk if my fucking internet goes out.
Yeah, you're able to. You can close easily on it. It's just it's not ideal to be scalping on and trading off of.
No, I don't play to. I just want to make sure. All right, man. Have a good weekend. Appreciate you guys.
Yeah, man.
Take care, buddy. Have a good weekend.
I'm gonna repost it. Let me repost it, MBZ. Repost it for you. Thought I posted it today. Try to find it.
Wow, what a beautiful bullish divergence. This is POC.
Oh, here it is, right here. MBZ. Reply.
I just added a little bit more. Holy shit, POC just fucking whole body. They want to go. They want to go. They want to go. What a beautiful bullish divergence. This is the meat grinder zone. We're back to the meat grinder zone.
I would not short this until 644.60s. That's supply. That's the box. 644.60s. I told you guys 643.70s flips. Then we got room. This is that pocket. This is the box.
There we go.
I'll post again. I got my commission fees down to 38 cents, Mr. XYZ. I think Demetrius is like 30. They'll work with
If
you
you're
on your
worried about
commissions.
commission fees, you should stop trading. I'm being honest with you. I'm going to be an asshole. If you're worried about commission fees, stop trading. You're gonna be a penny pincher. You're never gonna be successful in this field. Close your eyes on commissions, especially if you're profitable.
What is Interactive Brokers commission fees?
Thinkorswim is the best, buddy. Thinkorswim is the best.
They raised mine to 75 since I suck. That's funny. Dude, I mean, if you really think about it, like if you're trading 100 contracts, you're paying $75. So you need 1 cent of profit to break even. It's nothing. It's really nothing. 50 cents is the best. If you're in 100 contracts, you're paying $50 on both sides. That's 1 cent on your premiums. So if you sell with 1 cent of profit, you're breaking even. The biggest thing is to look out for is some brokers will have a very low commission, but they'll have a flat rate when you enter your trade. I know Adam was getting hammered on that when Adam was here. He was talking about that. Do you remember that, Dimitri?
Well, Adam was in Canada.
Yeah, he had like a $5 fee every time he entered and exited his trade. So right off the bat, he's getting whacked for $10 no matter what. And then his commissions were on top of it.
That's all Canadian brokers.
Oh, dude, overall Schwab's ridiculous. It's the desktop version on Schwab. It looks like the Matrix. It looks very confusing, but once you figure it out, it's ridiculous. It's great. Today it was kind of pissing me off though. My fills were a little delayed, but could be because VIX is completely crushed and we're in a very low volume environment. Or I need to clear my cash on my broker. Combination of both.
Oh yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go.
If we bounce
the back-
643.70s, that's your exit. If anybody's inputs.
Oh yeah, let's go. Keep going. The back test of the broken trend line. I'm gonna sell my ads. This is beautiful. Let's fucking go.
Are you green?
13,000.
What are you trying to make? 100,000 today?
Not really. I just sold my ads.
Are you green on the week?
I am green on the week.
Everybody green on the
I was-
week?
I was green on the week yesterday, even. I had a really good day 2 days ago, that's why. Woo! Wow, let's go, baby. Let's go. They want to go. Baby. Let's go. What a beautiful rejection from our meat grinder zone. POC was the best level. I did not listen to myself, but I added at POC and I added here. A little bit lower, and I'm going to take my other ad off. Go. Beautiful. Ticks are minus 540. They want to go lower.
Still no update when Mr. Trump's speaking.
Beautiful. Let's fucking go. I'm green on all my ads. Go. One more tick down, and I'll take my first to set off. Oh. This is the inverse cup I was talking about, guys. I do believe now they could dump if they want. Because we made a big cup, we just made an inverse cup, and the inverse cup takes us to the abyss. And this macro sloping support is holding 3 times already. Ryan, you shut your broker off just in case of a fucking bearish day. Smart.
Yeah,
I know
well,
for
I was
he
up.
would be chasing put calls like crazy. Woohoo! Let's go. This is the macro sloping support. Can we
No,
please crack it?
if my broker was open, I would have hit calls at 11:13. I said when they flipped 643.70s, you got room. But I probably would have tried to hold to the top of this box here to view up. I probably would have got stopped out of it. Realistically.
Come on, break the fucking floor. We're right at macro sloping support, guys. The macro channel. Everybody and their mothers are getting calls, in my opinion. Come on, baby. Give me the inverse handle.
All right, I'm jumping off. I don't want to be here all day watching this. This is boring. It's like freaking tiny range. QQQ is above their demand, trying to do a higher low. It doesn't look like they're going to go fast today at all. This is it. This is burn. I'd say bears would step on the gas if QQQ breaks their higher low that they put in at 11 o'clock. 576.80s gets taken out. I could see SPY taking the floor. But if you look left, they got about $1 they can do. 642.70s. That was Wednesday's low and nice big bounce zone yesterday. 642.70s, 642.69. So enjoy your weekend. Dimitri, give me a call later. I'm going to jump off. I got some stuff to do with the website. So good job today, everybody. Later, Norville. See you guys. Catch you later.
Take care, buddy.